Hi guys, John Fox here from Global Magic Shop and Learn Magic with Tutorial Tuesday, your weekly magic fix. Charlene's behind the camera. Let's get into this quick trick. Charlene, I have a prediction here. I've wrote something down on a playing card. You'll see that it's actually a different design back. That will be explained to you in a minute. So I'm going to put that card in here. And Charlene, could you please cut the cards wherever you want?
Okay.
Excellent. And can you just lift that card up there and just remember that, show it to everybody, make sure everyone can see it, and put it back down on there and complete the cut. Okay.
Right.
Are you happy? Do you want to cut the cards again?
No.
No? Okay. Now, going back to our prediction, I'm going to go through the cards. You'll actually see, Charlene, that I had one card that come out, that I predicted.
Yeah.
Charlene, could you please turn that over and just show everybody what it is?
This must be it.
This must be it. Is that your card?
No.
That's right, because this is a prediction. But Charlene, if I spell, it's an indicator card. If I spell this must be it, T-H-I-S, must, M-U-S-T-B-B-E, it, I-T. For the first time, Charlene, what was the name of your card?
Two of Hearts.
The Two of Hearts? The Two of Hearts. So, guys, that's a quick trick. You're going to like performing this. I also teach to how to personalize it to somebody's name. It's an awesome trick. It's a great spelling effect. So, until next Tuesday, by the way, the link will be somewhere here to get it. It's completely free. Until next Tuesday, I'm John Fox. Stay safe and bye for now.